Hello friends, this is Teacher Grace and today we are going to learn something interesting. Yay! Can you guess? You remember in our last class we discussed that the English alphabet are 26 in number, right? The English alphabet are 26 in number. They are 26 English alphabet and it is divided into two. In the English alphabet, you have the vowel sound and the consonant sound. And today, we are going to learn the English vowel sounds. The vowel sounds are five in number. The vowel sounds are 5 in number.
Yay!
Do you know the letters that makes up the vowel sound? What letters makes up the English vowel sounds? I know. Yes, the letter A, E, I, O, U. And these are the letters. The A, E, I, O, U. Do you know that vowel sounds are special letters because they help us to read and talk? Without the vowel sound, it will be very difficult to pronounce and also to read. Now, let's learn the sound of the 5 English vowel sounds. The first one is A.
Yay!
A sounds ah. A sounds ah. Somebody hits your head and you say ah. 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 Ouch. Ah. Ah. A sounds ah. And some words that start with the letter A. Apple. Ah. Apple. Ant. Ant. Alligator. Alligator. Yeah. That is the first vowel, letter A, which sounds A. And the next vowel, the next letter of the English alphabet, the next vowel is E.
Yay!
E sounds E. 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 E sounds E. Can you do that? E sounds E. E. Great job. Egg. Elephant. Elephant. Elevator. The next vowel is the letter I.
Yay!
And I sounds I. I. And I as in ink. Ink. Igloo. Igloo. In. I. I. The next letter is letter O.
Yay!
And O sounds O. O. It's just like you have a round orange in your mouth and you want to say O. O. Orange. O. Octopus. Octopus. Ox. The next is the letter U and it sounds up. Umbrella. Umbrella. Uncle. Uncle. Umbrella. Up. Kids. Friends. Now, without the vowels, we might not be able to read. Let's recall this again. What letter sounds A? Great job! The letter A. And what vowel sounds E? Good! Letter E. What vowel sounds? Great job! Great job! Clap yourself. Letter O. Great job! Great job! Clap yourself. Letter O. And do you know what? What letter is this? Good. Letter I, and it sounds E. E. Good job. Now, remember that we learned that the English vowels are 5 in numbers, right? Can you still remember the English vowels? 5. And what are they? A, which sounds A. Ooh. And the next one is the vowel E, which sounds E. Good job. E. The next one is the vowel I, which sounds I. Great. And we have O, which sounds O. O. Great job. And the last one is the letter U, which sounds Great job. In our next video, we are going to continue with the consonants. Bye bye.